This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brian Southwick. Premier Southwest sun exposure greets you at this most precious waterfront property. First time on the market in 50 years. Summer cottage offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, open floor plan with the kitchen open to the great room, and access to a spacious deck. Newer roof and architectural cedar shakes on the outside of the cottage, with coastal decor on display. Generous front and backyards. Hear and see the whales and sea lions from the property. Panoramic views of the San Juan and Gulf Islands. For more information, review the details below.